Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Instagram Notes is a great way to share quick thoughts with your close friends, but if you've lost access to it, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get it back. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Go to your phone's App Store, search for Instagram, and check if there's an update available. Sometimes features get disabled due to outdated versions, so downloading the latest update might instantly restore Notes to your account. Step 2. Next, log out of your Instagram account completely. Go to your profile settings, scroll down to the bottom, and select the Logout option. This forces your account to refresh and reconnect with Instagram's servers, which often reactivates missing features like Notes. Step 3. After logging back in, check your direct messages section. Notes should appear as a small icon near the top of your DM list. If it's still not showing up, try swiping left on the home screen or looking in your camera section, as the location sometimes varies. Step 4. If Notes still isn't back, try clearing your app cache. Go to your phone settings, find Instagram in your apps list, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be preventing the feature from loading properly without deleting your actual data. Step 5. Finally, if nothing else works, try contacting Instagram support directly through the app. Go to Settings, Help, and report a problem. Describe that you've lost access to the Notes feature, and they can manually re-enable it for your account. This usually works within 24 to 48 hours.